Hello, just to give you a brief, healthcare sector in India is growing at a very rapid rate. So as the healthcare sector grows, there is involvement and initiatives by the government as well as the private organizations. As this industry grows, there is also a need for allied health sciences, which becomes the backbone of this healthcare sector. Allied health sciences are basically the supportive forces that are required for a successful partnership with the doctors and the patients, and these are the most important ones that are very helpful in the strategic management of the patients as well as their well-being. We come from a culture where we say Acharya Devo Bhava or Gurubhyo Namaha, where teachers are given much importance and teachers are the role models for us, and many of our teachers have actually chiseled our careers. So I also owe whatever I am today to the mentoring by my teachers as well as the many of the professional colleagues that I've interacted. So when we talk about a teacher from a basic education to your higher specialization has a lot of influences. It can be a one person or it can be multiple people. We learn from our teachers and we also learn from the self-evaluations or self-learnings. So self-learning can be by reading the books or also what we currently have, the Google search or Google Scholar, etc. But the best way to learn is learning from your teachers, discussing with your peers and also from your seniors. We all come from different social backgrounds. We have our own expectations, we have our own limitations as well. So as you enter into the allied health sciences courses, you will be faced with all these challenges and you will also sometimes may find it very difficult to adapt to this environment and may also feel lost out. But it doesn't mean that you give up. Having a fighting spirit and having a focused approach, having a goal is the most important aspect of anybody's life. So similarly in allied health sciences, if you have to become successful in your career, focusing on what you have come here for, taking the help of your faculty, your peers and your seniors, and also putting in efforts to learn, that's the most important aspect. Apart from your curriculum, you also need to focus on your extracurricular things, being empathetic to the patients, being empathetic towards yourself. That is most important. Being resilient is also one of the important aspects. So never give up even when you face challenges in your courses. We have excellent faculty here in HCG Allied Health Sciences College and we are always available for you for any of your discussions. When you're learning from a teacher, you have an opportunity to ask questions, find answers from them. Your teachers are always there to help you out. So in case if I don't know the answer, I will always make an effort to refer. This is an opportunity for the teacher as well to educate themselves. And most important thing is never stop learning. Even becoming a teacher is also not a full stop. It is an opportunity for, always keeping a continuous education in life. So as you all enter into this HCG Allied Health Sciences, I wish you all a wonderful journey here, and I want to emphasize that we are here to support you in your curriculum, to support you wherever you need. So I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. So we have several courses including the hospital administration, the anesthesia and OT courses, MLTs, radiotherapy courses, etc. So you all have a very good atmosphere, you have very good interactions you can have with your friends, make friends with each other, collaborate and learn from each other. Pick up the good qualities and drop the bad ones. So I wish you all the best and we are here to support you and you can approach us anytime.